Here, I am outside of a condo that we are fixing up. I bought this one with cash. Oh, it was in really rough shape. We bought this one for $98,000 cash. I think the ARV we're looking at around 160. And we're gonna rip all the cabinets out, put new cabinets, countertops, new appliances. We ripped this little wall out that separated the kitchen from the dining room. It was a non-load bearing partition, so it's just better to open it up. We're scraping the popcorn ceiling off the ceilings, taking all the wallpaper down. You see this was the wall that got tore out. We're ripping out the existing vanity cabinet here. We're gonna put new cabinets in here, getting rid of this built-in thing to really open it all up. We're gonna completely gut this bathroom and put a new bathroom in. So a new toilet and tub. We'll put new laminate floor. We'll do carpet in the bedroom and we'll do laminate floor everywhere else. Putting a new AC unit in, new vinyl slider windows, new doors to the closet and the entry door. And that'll be it. So on a small unit like this, it doesn't cost a whole lot to do all that. And it will increase the value by a lot, you know, from 98 up to, as is on the market, it probably would have sold for, I don't know, 115-ish. And after doing this work, which is gonna be around 35-ish, we're gonna be worth 160-ish. So it does make sense to do the renovation. We're gonna put less money in, then you'll put about 30 in and we're gonna get an extra 45 out. So that's where we're at with this property. Look forward to showing it to you when we're all done. Thanks for watching.